This is Mr. Desai. He is an industrialist. One fine day, he came across the word PP Corrugated Box. He managed to call Mr. Bakshi, who was in the same field since long. So he called Mr. Bakshi. Hello, Mr. Bakshi. I am Mr. Desai. I want to know the details about PP Corrugated Box. Hello, Mr. Desai. Hope your business is going good. You called the right person for this product. Let's meet and let me give you the insight about the products and our company. So they both met the next day. Mr. Desai was very excited to know about the product. So as Mr. Bakshi was very happy to meet Mr. Desai. Mr. Desai, please have a tea. And meanwhile, let me explain you the features and benefits of PP Corrugated Box. PP Corrugated Box are completely weatherproof. Now you can transport your products even in the rainy season without any tension. Product will remain intact in that box. With appropriate dimension and thickness of the sheets, we can make the box extremely durable, irrespective of its weight. We work on triple R methodology. No, not that movie triple R. RRR stands for reduce, recycle and reuse. Super lightweighted is one of the remarkable features of this product. Here is the most promising feature of our product. You can use it multiple times. Suppose you have a regular client to whom you have to deliver the product by box on regular or repetitive basis. After unloading the product, you can bring your box back for another cycle of delivery. You must be wondered that these repetitions can be up to 150 times depending upon the usability. From the chart, you can see that life of one PP corrugated box is equal to approximately 150 cardboard box. And this way, you can save your packaging cost and multifold your profits. These are the key features of our product. Our products are multicolored, flexible, customizable, stackable. Even branding can be possible on that box. Mr. Desai, let me take you to see the demo of the product which we have just customized for one of our clients. Overall, it can be a game changer in your business. You are got to start an amazing endeavor with us. Don't worry. Have faith in us. If we claim it, we mean it. We are committed to provide you good products. Let's collaborate and expand our businesses. We are looking forward to have a conversation with you. Thank you for your time.